फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Well, hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers who are watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel, and we are here to discuss the 58th match of IPL 2024. And the big news is that Punjab Kings has been officially ruled out of IPL 2024. It was a virtual knockout match between RCB and Punjab Kings, और उसमें RCB ने ये मैच जीता है. This is their fourth consecutive win, and they are on a very good run. अब RCB के लिए क्वालिफाई करने के चांसेस बेटर हुए हैं, बट स्टिल इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो फॉर देम टू क्वालिफाई. इट्स एन आउटसाइड चांस. Obviously they'll have to win rest of their matches, which is against Delhi Capitals and Chennai Super Kings, and then they'll have to rely on other teams losing their respective matches, and then ultimately it boils down to the net run rate. So very long shot, but RCB is still in the race, whereas Punjab Kings is officially ruled out of IPL 2024. बहुत अच्छा मैच हुआ हिमाचल प्रदेश के धर्मशाला के स्टेडियम में वो मैच था. वी ऑल नो दैट स्टेडियम, दैट आइकॉनिक सीनरी, धौलाधार हिल्स just at the backdrop of the stadium. वहाँ पे पंजाब took on the Royal Challengers Bangalore. I'll take you through the match. RCB came out to bat first, and the big man again stepped up. As king, as he's called, Virat Kohli, 92 of 47 balls, just 8 shy of his 100. काफी अच्छे टच में थे, काफी अच्छे शॉट्स मारे, स्ट्राइक रेट. After his innings he said that I tried keeping my strike rate up throughout the innings, or वो maybe in a gist, but he batted brilliantly throughout the innings. And काफी शोर मच रहा है विराट कोहली की स्ट्राइक रेट को लेकर, उनकी इनिंग्स को लेकर, उनकी T20 खेलने के स्टाइल को लेकर. लेकिन इस आईपीएल में ही हैज क्रॉस द 600 मार्क. ही इज द ऑरेंज कैप होल्डर. काफी लंबे टाइम से ऑरेंज कैप उनके पास थी, बीच में ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ के पास गई थी, बट देन ही took it back. He has scored 600 plus runs in this IPL. This is the fourth time he has crossed 600 mark in IPL history. 92 runs off 47 balls. He was dropped on 0 and then on 10. 0 वाली कैच रिलेटिवली इजी थी शुरू में ही, पहले ही ओवर में. जो 10 रन पे रायली रूसो ने कैच छोड़ी, इट वाज अ डाइविंग कैच, थोड़ी मुश्किल थी, बट हैड दैट 0 wali catch when he was on 0 been taken, RCB would have been in a very big trouble, क्योंकि major chunk of the runs विराट कोहली ने मारे हैं RCB के. as you can see the scorecard on screen, 92 of 47. उसके बाद रजत पाटीदार, what an innings Patidar played, those sixes. He was hitting sixes at will, proper placement with timing, long sixes, and he really helped विराट कोहली to put on a great score. नीचे आके दिनेश कार्तिक ने भी एक बहुत छोटा कैमियो पर खेला, बहुत अच्छा कैमियो, जिससे RCB could managed to put on a total of 241 at the loss of 7 wickets in their 20 overs. Now this is a very good fighting total, but then again इस IPL में फाइटिंग टोटल नाम की कोई चीज नहीं होती. पंजाब किंग्स वाज द टीम हु चेस्ड डाउन 260 plus against KKR a few weeks ago, and a team who can chase 260 can definitely chase 240. Punjab Kings came out to bat. Prabhsimran Singh and Bairstow both didn't do much. Bairstow did play 27 of 16, but then he got out. Riley Russo was looking extremely good throughout his innings, but then in order to sweep one ball, उनके bat से ball edge पे लग के गले पे लगी, and he was in pain. He was really in pain. Physio he checked Russo, and he was still looking in pain, but he somehow decided to continue batting. But on the very next ball, Riley Russo got out, and then the man in form Shashank Singh came in. He also played a great cameo, 37 of 19. He didn't look that good जितना वो इस IPL में लगते आए हैं. 37 of 19. जितेश शर्मा only 5 runs. Liam Livingstone 0. अपनी सेकंड बॉल पर आउट हो गए. कैप्टन सैम करन came 22 of 16. Just showed a glimpse of what he can do, but he didn't do much today. आशुतोष शर्मा, another man in form along with शशांक सिंह, वो भी आज नहीं चल पाए. मोहम्मद सिराज full delivery. He missed the ball. Pads पे लगी. RCB appealed and it was given out. He reviewed, but still umpire's call पे he was given out. And then there are all tailenders. Harshal Patel, being an all-rounder, got out on the very first ball. Punjab lost by 60 runs. अभी 60 runs का margin is really important for the Royal Challengers Bangalore, because as I said, Punjab is officially out of IPL 2024, but the Royal Challengers Bangalore still have an outside chance. Obviously, they have two more matches: Delhi Capitals, Chennai Super Kings. They need to win those matches. That's the bare minimum. जहां आरसीबी अपना पहला मैच हारी, इन दोनों में से एक भी मैच हारी, दे आर आउट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट. दे नीड टू विन दोस मैच. उससे होगा क्या? दे विल गो to the 14-point mark, and then they'll have to wait. Somehow CSK, DC, LSG, these teams also lose their matches, और वो भी 14 points पे stuck हो जाए, and then the net run rate thing will kick in, and that is the reason that these 60 runs are really important, because जितने बड़े मार्जिन से जीतोगे ना, उतना आपको हेल्प होगा नेट रन रेट बड़ा करने में. सो आरसीबी still in hunt, and IPL is towards its business end, and this is actually the interesting part of the इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग, जहाँ पे बहुत परम्यूटेशंस कॉम्बिनेशंस होती हैं, बहुत कैलकुलेशंस होते हैं, कैलकुलेटर्स निकलते हैं, एंड वील हैव टू वेट एंड सी which team qualifies. Obviously Rajasthan and Kolkata are way ahead. They will qualify easily. Hyderabad also to a certain extent, but that number 3, number 4 spot, especially number 4 का जो spot है, वो काफी tight competition है उस spot के लिए. So we'll have to wait and see what happens here. And RCB fans, the hope is still alive. I'm pretty sure with this win also they are pretty more hopeful. वो hope थोड़ी और बढ़ गई है उनके अंदर, and they are, because RCB has peaked at the right time. They are getting in the form at the right time. It's just that it's not in their hands. Obviously they'll have to win their respective matches, but then they'll have to wait and see. अगर जो दूसरी टीम्स हैं, CSK, लखनऊ, जिनका हारना जरूरी है, वो अपने रिस्पेक्टिव मैचेस हारे, तब जाके आरसीबी किसी तरह qualify कर पाएगी. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see. Until then, please subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, follow us across all our social media platforms. IPL देखते रहिए. IPL की सारी updates, सारी coverage, exclusive interviews, and a lot of exclusive stuff you will find on the Cricket Next YouTube channel. Until then, please take care of yourself and have a good night.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें,
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस,
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म.
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.